Chrissy.
Oh, you're singing a movie.
Yeah.
Where's Angel? Let's get her to sing it, and then I'll play it.
Okay, let's get her. Angel! We need you to sing Michael Jackson. She's gonna play accordion on it.
Ready? We're on the horn. They told me don't you ever come around here. Don't wanna be a man.
So beat it. Just beat it. Oh! Get in the light.
Superman. Ow! Just cause you wanna be bad.
Just beat it. Beat it. No one wants to beat it.
Oh no. We could bus. We could totally bus. This is the kind of stuff I want to do busking.
That's true.
This Ozzy Osbourne's Crazy Train. Think about it.
Yeah,
How does that song go?
I can do Alanis Morissette, you ought to know.
I love that tune.
It's kick-ass on the accordion.
And this is Chrissy's debut on the accordion. Good night.